Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Canada. Today's date is May 9th, 2024. Let's get started. Other than the Bank of England decision, the only U.S. economic data that we had reported today and will be reported today is the U.S. initial jobless claims that came in weaker than expected. So what we did see was the dollar versus Canada move to the downside on that weaker than expected claims data. But then we did see a bounce back, but we are currently seeing a rotation back to the downside here, trading to new session lows, as a matter of fact, as we speak. Now, technically speaking, what we saw in trading yesterday was a move to the upside, followed by a rotation back to the downside. That rotation to the downside on this hourly chart came right back down to test this blue line right here. This blue line represents the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. It's overlaid on the hourly chart, and we started to go sideways to higher off of that support level until more recently, again, the U.S. initial jobs claim came in weaker than expected and forced a pair to the downside. That move to the downside was able to extend below this cluster of moving averages, including the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, the 200-hour moving average, that's a green line in the middle, and this other blue line on the downside, which is the 100-hour moving average, also falling below the broken 38.2% retracement of this move to the downside. That level comes in at 136.997. Let's call it 137. So the 137 to 137.10 level is now going to be resistance for the dollar versus Canada, with the current price trading just below those cluster of technical levels at 1.36968. So sellers are trying to make a play here. We'll see if they can keep the momentum going in the dollar versus Canada as long as it can stay below its moving averages. The bias remains to the downside. On the downside, we'll look toward this swing area down through here, and also the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, which sits in the middle of that swing area. If we that may be a level where we could see some support buyers. Note that in trading on 2 days ago, the price moved above this swing area, came up to the moving averages, fell back down toward the high of the swing area, and then rotated to the upside. So it has some history. Be aware of that 1.3668 level down to 1.3662 level, where the 200 bar moving average is located. So there's my quick technical look at the dollar versus Canada. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.